Hello guys, thank you for our interest on watching this video. Today I will show you how to collect the emails records from the YouTube. You can able to extract the leads, targeted leads from the YouTube. That was very easy. Let me show you how I can able to do this. I'm using the Google Docs. Google Docs are the queries we use to fetch the data that was indexed in the Google and use this data to collect the email records. Let me show you the example. Suppose if you search this, you will find the emails of all the YouTube channels. So suppose if you looking for some specific like fitness coach or something, these are the people. He was a fitness coach and his email is this one. So these are the people. You see this. So yeah, now you have the emails, right? So um, there is a lot of tools available in the Google. So if you search extract emails from the um, text, suppose I copied the text, right? I pasted it. Let me do that again. Just the YouTube, right? See, I have found 11 emails. So like this, you can able to collect the targeted emails from the YouTube. I will mention all these docs, like how to do all explaining all the process. I will mention everything in the video description. You can check it. And also, by the way, if you think this is a lazy and slow task, and if you are looking for the high quality leads, I will suggest you the website leadsblue.com. This how this website was offering the leads in a very clean way, like with the name, business name, location, and website, mobile number, all the details. See how clean it was, how clean this data was. This website offering leads in almost all the categories. Suppose if you search CEO, it have the global CEO database. If you search forex example, maybe LinkedIn, it have the LinkedIn database. You search crypto, it have the crypto database also. It even offering the worldwide global databases. I mean, you will get all this information for all the for the little price. So if you're looking for the affordable prices, and they have the leads in almost all the category, dentists, investors, um, businesses, say $44, $45, some are even $13. So they have leads almost all the categories. So I have the coupon code for this website. I will mention it in the description, and I will mention the important links also. So you can even able to check the samples in their FAQ page. So you can order anything so of your choice. Suppose it's even have the Australia. If you search Australia, so that's guys. It's how almost on all categories they have leads. So you will get the business name, location, all the details. So I think this will be really helpful for you, and I mention all the details in the description. Don't forget to check. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. This is the way you can able to collect the leads from YouTube. Thank you once again.